Hey Gearheads, Corey and Holly coming to you from the 2022 Chicago Auto Show, and as you can see behind us, we're at Ford's Bronco Built Wild event. They have an indoor test track. We did this last summer at the Summer Chicago Auto Show, but this was Holly's first time to ride along and test out the full capabilities of what the Bronco can do. You and I have had a Bronco on our home turf. You let Bailey do more than I think you let me do, although we were in a controlled environment. What were your thoughts of riding along with Bailey in the Ford Bronco?
Well, it definitely made me nervous, and I don't think we'll be doing that out in the wild anytime soon because she was an experienced driver. It was an indoor track, closed course, but it was pretty terrifying.
All right, so I'm going to take you guys through our side hill here.
Okay.
I'm going to turn on our split screen, save your driver and your passenger front tire, and I'm going to lock up our front and rear lockers. So we're going on a 22-degree side angle.
What?
Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. You do this all day long.
Have you been in one yet?
I mean, I've been in a Bronco, but not doing this kind of stuff.
Right. So I'm going to go ahead and leave our lockers on. We're going to go through our twist stitch here. And I'm going to show you guys our stay bar disconnect. So it gets a little tippy, but that time it wasn't too bad. I'm going to disconnect, and you can feel it stabilize the vehicle and gives us some more articulation. And I'm going to go ahead and shut that all off. What's nice about the stay bar disconnect is it will reconnect at 20 miles an hour all on its own. So if you were to forget, you don't have to worry about it.
I guess it wouldn't be good to drive with that on.
All right, I'm going to show you guys our trail turn assist.
The Google button.
Yes. So I'm going to, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and it's going to engage, locking up our driver rear tire and putting us in a really tight turning radius. It works really well in the snow, the mud, loose gravel.
Wow.
Go ahead and disconnect that and turn on our lockers one more time. Give you guys a different camera view here.
Whoa!
And this hill here is 33 degrees. The incline and the decline.
On the decline too?
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in manual first. Take my foot off the brake and the gas and just let it roll on down.
Whoa! It's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Alright.
We're not afraid it's just going to go.
Nope, not at all.
What do you think?
That was terrifying.
Well, thank you, Bailey.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So the first obstacle, 22-degree side hill.
Yeah, leaning on my side.
Leaning on your
Leaning
side.
on my side. If we toppled over, it would crush on me.
Yeah, but you've got side curtain airbags and all that good stuff to protect you. So yeah. After that, we had the twist stitch where we tested out that stabilizer bar disconnect.
I think I've been watching them go through. I think that was the most surprising one that I saw because I was expecting to be jostled around a lot more than
Just speaks to the suspension. I told you it feels a whole lot less intense being in it going out through that twist stitch. Now what looks less intense than it actually is that 33-degree incline and decline. What were your thoughts on that giant hill, Holly?
That was the terrifying one because you can't see the top and you can't see the bottom.
You said it was like being on a roller coaster.
Yes.
Except you're not on a track.
Not as fast. She went slow, but you cannot see the bottom. I could not see the ground.
So there you have it. First time experience in the Bronco Built Wild indoor test track here at the 2022 Chicago Auto Show. Come out and try it for yourself. If you see Bailey, tell her GT Garage Talk says hi. Thank you so much for watching and following along. You can see more stuff from the auto show in the playlist linked down below. Until next time, bye.